Therefore, Narottam Das Thakur, Bhakti Vinod Thakur, all Vaishnavas, Vaishnavacharyas, Mahajanas, they have sung. They have sung. You understand the glories of sadhu. Many songs they have sung, the glories of sadhu. You understand? Thakur Vaishnava Pada Avanira Susampada Thakur Vaishnava Pada Suno bhai haiya eko mana Suno bhai haiya eko mana Asraya laiya bhoje Tare Krishna nahi teje Krishna nahi teje ar sabo moriyo karana ar sabo moriyo karana Vaishnava charana renu musana karyatana Vaishnava charana renu যাহা হইতে অনুভব হয় যাহা হইতে অনুভব হয় মার্জন হই ভজন সাধু সঙ্গে অনুক্ষণ জন হই ভজন সাধু সঙ্গে অনুক্ষণ অজ্ঞান বিদ্যা পরাজয়ে অজ্ঞান বিদ্যা পরাজয়ে These are songs, just little I sung. I'm going to sing the whole song. This is by Narottam Das Thakur. Vaishnava charana renu bhushan karyatanu jaha hoite anubhav hoy. Marjan hoy bhajan sadhu sange anukkhan ajnana avidya parajoy. By this association of sadhu, if you will do bhajan chant, Hare Krishna, do Nam bhajan, then your bhajan will be pure, free from aparad, free from anarthas, contaminations. Do you understand? Ajnana vidya, the ignorance, will be completely destroyed. Vaishnava charana renu bhusana karyatana jahaita anubhava hoy. The dust of the feet of such Vaishnava sadhu is very powerful. Is very powerful. Yes. If someone smears his body with such dust of the Vaishnavas, then his consciousness is completely becomes purified, and all Vedic truths, this Bhava, Dharma Tattva, Bhakti Tattva becomes revealed to him. Yes, this is the mercy of Vaishnava. You understand? Vaishnava Thakura Vaishnava Pada Avanira Susampada Suno Bhai Hoya Ekamana Asraya Bhade Tare Krishna Nahite Je Arsamoryo Karana. Such Vaishnava sadhus, they are invaluable assets of the world. Invaluable assets of the world. They are ornaments of the world. bhushan. Yes. Taking shelter of such sadhu, one who does Krishna bhajan, Krishna never deserts him. Krishna never deserts him. You understand? Without taking shelter of such sadhu does bhajan, Krishna kicks him, get out. Yeah. You cannot do bhajan. Your bhajan is no bhajan at all. Yes. It's mental speculation only. Yes. There is no bhajan at all. You don't know how to do bhajan. One is engaged really with bhajan, in bhajan, only through his association, he'll be taught how to do bhajan. How can do bhajan? Huh? Only speculating. Yes, I can do this or that or that or that or that. Yes. Only speculating. This, that. Oh, yes. Nothing else. You understand? So, this is what. Therefore, they have this Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Narottam Das Thakur, they have songs, so many songs, singing glories of the Vaishnavas.